Want to ace digital marketing this year? Your journey starts now. Digital marketing is like the Swiss Army knife of the online world. First up, social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn aren't just for selfies and memes. They're powerful tools to connect with your audience. Next, let's talk about SEO or search engine optimization. Think of it as the magic trick to get your website noticed by Google. Use the right keywords and boom, you're on the first page. Email marketing, and it's not dead. Craft catchy subject lines and offer real value, and people will open your emails faster than a Christmas present. Content is king, but context is queen. Create valuable content that speaks directly to your audience's needs and interests. And don't forget analytics. Tools like Google Analytics help you understand what's working and what's not. Stay curious, keep learning, and soon you'll be a digital marketing master. You got this.